Hi there, British here and welcome to HeavyRecoilClub. In today's video we're gonna do a special one. It's actually a giveaway sponsored by Redwolf Airsoft. The main reason of this giveaway is because our anniversary on the 5th of January 2024. If you like to participate in this contest, stick around and I will tell you later on in this video. That being said, let's go to the table and start the unboxing. The Agency Arms EXA Pistol by RWA. Alright, the RWA Agency Arms EXA Pistol. Cool. It's very nice packaging. Link to the socials and QR code. If you want to read it, go ahead. Something else, got this, but everyone wants to see the Glock. That basically is a Glock. There you go. Look at it. Nice engravings, made in Taiwan, Agency Arms, markings everywhere. Pretty nice sights and a grip. Very nice, very good. Feels like a Glock should feel. Comes with one magazine. Glock's backpack. Trigger. Ooh, it's very crisp. All right, let's get back. Talk more about it. The pistol has a fiber optic front sight with a blackout rear sight. It is completely ambidextrous and the magazine release button can be swapped around. The inner barrel has been blacked out to add some more realism, and it comes with two additional back straps for different grips, and it's completely Glock holster compatible. The RWA EXA pistol is compatible with Humrex, VFC Glock 17 magazines, Tokyo Marui G series, Model 17, but it requires some minor modifications. Because this is a giveaway, I'm not able to test it a lot, but what I can do is just a basic testing like chronoing. It's at the point where it can't shoot anymore. So this is what we got left. So as you can see, the pistol shot about 1.0 shoe average with 0.3 gram BBs, and it did shot about 2.5 mags. So now it's time to tell you how to participate in our giveaway. Go to the link in the description below. It will direct you to our Discord server. Then go to our giveaway channel, submit your full auto or semi-auto Magnum video, and you're automatically participating. At the end of January, which will be the 31st, we will draw one winner, which will get the RWA EXA Pistol with unincluded red dot mount. The winner also will get one of our anniversary patches. And the second and third place as well. Finally, thank you all for watching. It has been 5 amazing years and we hope to continue for 5 more years at least. And we don't know what it will bring, but it definitely will be a good ride. Like, subscribe, comment down below, it will help us a lot. And of course, see you next time.